Good morning, everybody. It's about 6:35 in the morning, and we just picked up our coffees and pastries to go. And we are hoping that it is free, clear, and smooth getting back to the Bay Area. We're gonna do a little sort of tour of California. We went up north coming here. We're gonna go south now to go back home. We are out of the snow area. We are actually in paved freeway. No snow, no ice, no nothing. We made it. We made it down. We did. So our route is actually going towards Bishop, Bakersfield area, and then we're gonna go up using Highway 5. Yeah, it's free and clear right now. Look at that. There's snow in the mountains, of course, but otherwise we can breathe easily now. We stopped by at the town or city of Bishop to pick up some more breakfast pastries. Alright, so we picked up some pastries, goodies at Erick Schat's bakery. I want to say that bakery is pretty impressive. I mean, 90%. Oh, there's Looney Bin. That's what I said. There's Looney Bin. I took a photo of that. Yes, about, it's just as fresh as you can get it out of the oven. They have loads and loads of bread, loads and loads of cookies, cakes, pastries. It was really overwhelming in there. And the prices are pretty reasonable. Cards and cash only, no Apple Pay. So I picked up, of course, not only mine, but for Bailey. We are in Manzanara Relocation Camp, which was built during World War II in 1942 for the relocation of people of Japanese descent. And this was in use until 1945. This is their baseball field. You could see the bases, or they recreated those bases. always knew that there was a relocation camp somewhere in California. I just didn't know that it was here. Alma actually told us about it, and we just thought that we'd pass by to pay our respects. There are actually tours for this historic site. I'm just not sure at what season that's available. It is the winter season right now, and it is 9 o'clock in the morning, so we have it all to ourselves. Home now, and it is pretty rainy outside, but it beats ice and snow anytime. On this trip, I think we experienced 4 seasons in 2 days. And because of the rain, we can't hardly recognize California and Nevada because it's so green. In some areas, it felt as if we were driving in an English or Irish countryside. Everyone thought that we were crazy to go to Mammoth this time of year. But in our minds, the worst would be getting stranded or snowed in Mammoth. Little did we know that the struggle was going to be the drive into Mammoth. By chance, it was a clear day to drive into Mammoth. But along the drive, along our route, parts of it just kept getting closed down. But we were too far along into the drive that we couldn't necessarily just turn back. The redirections became really sketchy. And it's a good thing that Darwin was driving and he was handling the car pretty well. And the car itself became an all-terrain vehicle all of a sudden when it's only known the road, the freeways, the highways, all its life. And Alma was great at directions. Honestly, I'm not good at directions or looking at the map. Alma was. So between the two of them and me cheering them on, we got to Mammoth in one piece with the car. But Mammoth was such a winter wonderland. It was everything that I thought it was going to look like, that it was going to be. So was it all worth it? Well, hindsight is 50-50. Except for the drive into Mammoth, it was all worth it. So I think this is a good place in time to end this vlog. Thank you for coming along with us on this truly adventurous 2.5-day trip to Mammoth. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button below to get notified of new videos. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.